Yo guys, welcome back with me, Kenwilboy. In this video, we're going to talk about best gold trading strategy in 2025. It's proven and tested strategy, one of the best. It's not only for 2025 actually, you can use it for 2026, 2027 and beyond, even the next decade, because this strategy have been used for decades, 20, 30, maybe 50 years. This strategy always works, okay? For those who don't know me, I'm Kenwilboy. I'm a professional trader with more than 10 years of experience in Forex and crypto market and have made more than $1 million. Okay, let's begin. So this strategy is called support and resistance. Maybe you're familiar, maybe you're not. For those who are new, so basically support and resistance is this. Support, for those who don't know, support is basically an imaginary bottom area or bottom level where prices tends to bounce upwards when reaching the support level. But if the support level are breached, normally price would go down aggressively, because a support breach indicates that the sellers are stronger than the buyers, means the price could go down even further. I'm going to show you what support level is. So this is support level. If we draw a nice rectangle here, this is a nice support level. Okay. See, I'm drawing a rectangle, an area, instead of a line, because support is basically an area, approximate area. It's not like a razor sharp price, like maybe 3,000.00. No, not like that. It's an area, an approximate area, not a razor thin exact price. Support or resistance is an area. Some people would debate me, but that's okay, because some people like to draw a line, but I would see support or resistance or other key area as an approximate area instead of a razor sharp line. Okay, so this is a nice support, but how about resistance? Resistance is an imaginary ceiling, like imaginary cover, top area, imaginary, like it's the highest point in a given period, and the price tends to bounce downwards if it reaches the resistance area. But when the resistance area is breached, prices tends to go aggressively up, would skyrocket. Okay, I'm going to show you what is resistance. So this is the resistance here, because see, the resistance area has been touched like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or yeah, maybe 4 or 5 times in a short amount of time. Like maybe this is a very short amount of time, but the support area has been touched like at least 5 times from what I'm seeing here. So it's an imaginary ceiling. Prices tends to bounce down, but if it's breached, means price would skyrocket, because it indicates that the buyers are stronger than the sellers. Okay, so how do we use this support and resistance? So this is very easy. I want you to do, or what most traders do, using support and resistance, they would wait for the price to reach the support or resistance area. Support is at the bottom, resistance is at the top. And when the price reaches the support, they will open a buy position, or they would buy. You can use it on gold, crypto, Forex, anything, or stocks. Basically, if the price reaches here, then we would buy whatever the asset. And when the price reaches here, the resistance area, we would sell. Either you can short, or maybe if you're not using leverage, you can sell your asset, because it indicates that the price would very likely to go down. But if the resistance area here is breached, like maybe, I will draw it here. Here, let's say the line is like this, then it goes up again, maybe it goes here. But then if the resistance is breached like this, it means the price would most likely continue going up. So if the resistance area is breached like this, then like this, for example, let's say the price reaches this 3,337. What I would do is continue buying, because the price would continue going up. But if the price bounces at the resistance area like this, then I would probably start selling, because the price would continue go down until the support area, or maybe even further. Because if the support area is breached, like maybe like this, if the support area is breached like this, it means the price would continue go down aggressively, because there is like a panic when the support area is breached. A lot of people would start selling. Oh no, no, the bottom price has been breached. Oh, it will go down. You've probably seen the news like, oh, maybe gold is going up, going to the moon, or gold going down, or maybe Bitcoin to the moon, Bitcoin crash. It's like that. So when support or resistance area is breached, people would panic and causing them to sell or buy even more. So the price would move even more aggressively in the direction where it is breached. Like resistance, of course, from down, it will go up. Of course, breaching a resistance means the price are crossing the resistance from the bottom to from below it and up. But breaching a support means the price are going from up to down, because support is at the bottom, resistance is at the top. Sorry if my English is not that good. English is not my first language. I'm trying to learn. Correct me if I made some mistakes, but here is what it is. This is one of the best strategy. It has been proven and tested again and again through time. It has been used for maybe hundreds of years, support and resistance. And how about the trading platform I'm using? By the way, I'm using one of the best trading platform in the world called Fortuno Markets. This is the website. Fortuno Markets, I really like it because they are integrated with TradingView and they have very low trading fees, like one of the lowest in the world. You won't find any other good brokers, I mean the trusted broker, that have lower fees than Fortuno Markets. It's like the lowest of the lowest. It's basically free. Like you trade for free without any fees. Like it's that good. But is it safe? Of course, Fortuno Markets is safe. I've been using them for years. And there is absolutely no issue. They have very good support, they have a very good trading platform, and the markets are complete. They have forex, stocks, crypto, commodities like gold, silver, oil, anything, you name it. And they have been operating in more than 20 countries. So I would say this broker is safe. Highly recommended. And yeah, if you want to start trading using Fortuno Markets, just check the link down below in the description. Or maybe if you want to try learning or have signals from Fortuno teams or my team, link down below on the description. If you want to request another video or if you want to ask something, please don't hesitate to comment in the comment section down below. Okay, I think that's it for today. Thank you for watching and peace out.